In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply at Sam's Club online. To get started, head to the Sam's Club Careers website, or you can use the Walmart Careers portal, since Sam's Club applications are often handled there. Once you're on the Careers page, take a moment to get familiar with the search tools. You can usually look for openings by entering a location, a job title, or a keyword related to the kind of work you're interested in. After that, browse through the available job listings and choose a position that fits your skills and experience. This is an important part of the process, so don't rush. Open the listing and read the job description carefully. Pay close attention to the qualifications, daily responsibilities, and expected work schedule so you know exactly what the role involves before you apply. When you find a position that looks right for you, click Apply to begin the online application. At this point, you'll need to sign in to your existing Walmart Careers account. If you've never applied before, you'll need to create a new account first. Make sure you use an email address you check regularly because that's where updates about your application may be sent. Next, complete the online application by entering your personal information, employment history, education, and any other required details. Take your time here and make sure everything is accurate. Small mistakes can slow things down, so it's worth reviewing each section as you go. If the site asks for it, upload your resume or manually enter your work experience. Even if you upload a resume, some applications still require you to fill in the information directly, so be prepared for both. Keep your work history clear and consistent with what appears on your resume. Depending on the role, you may also be asked to complete an assessment test. If that happens, read each question carefully and answer thoughtfully. These assessments are often used to help employers understand how well you match the position. Before submitting, review your full application to make sure all information is complete and correct. This final check helps you catch missing details or typing errors. Once everything looks good, submit your application and wait for the confirmation message or confirmation email. After that, keep an eye on both your email inbox and your Walmart Careers account for updates about interviews, additional assessments, or hiring decisions.